Oh my god, yo. It's like a blizzard for real out here, yo. Look at this shit. This wind blowing. Somehow, these people up the street, it's like, look like they feel to do a snow thing. I don't know what the hell they doing out there. This wind is blowing. Look at this. This shit is thick as hell, yo. What the fuck? You can't even tell which one the street or what. This shit, and it's just been the past hour, yo. The past hour. And the past, like, fuck, man. The girl, the kid looking at me like, what the fuck he talking to? Oh my god, yo, this is, I can't even tell which one is the fucking sidewalk or which one is what. Look at that, look at this. This is how thick this shit is already. Look at this shit. This is how much snow we got already. And my daddy been here since 9 o'clock and it's like 11 o'clock. It's fucking snowing hard. And it's gonna continue snowing until nighttime, yo. We're gonna be in like 11-inch snow. Oh my god. Alright, my phone is crazy. This is crazy. Oh my god. You see this shit? You can hear it, but the wind is blowing. I never been in a blizzard before. This is like a new thing for me guys. This is country boy swag right here and this nigga from Mississippi. I'm not used to this shit. I'm already got a whole lot of snow on me already. Look at this shit. Look at what I did. This is crazy. This is 2 minutes snow. Look at this shit. This is crazy, yo. Look at this shit, yo. Wow. Unbelievable. Oh shit. What in my shirt? Oh shit. Alright, I'm finna smoke a cigarette so I can do this before my phone get fucked up.